construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. Students engage in a creative process which connects an art form and another subject areas and meet involving objectives in both.
They demonstrate understanding of the content which you have done in the class. Then through an art form. Medium क्या है? Art form. And art form is, अभी in coming slides we will talk. Art form is not only drawing and painting. Visual arts आएंगे, performing arts आएंगे, बहुत कुछ होता है ना. But in this case, child is demonstrating his or her understanding of the concept using one or the other medium of art. Yes?
In our areas according to the plain, mountains, plateaus, eastern, western, both our areas are totally different. According to it, we just define our geography. Clear? Because our geographical features is always depend upon our river system. Most of the rivers are originated in that time. We feel like moderate climatic conditions over there. Most of the areas are near about the coastal regions, near about the ocean. They are totally different because annual rainfall we always count that is always different over there. Bolo?
Nation builder, yes, right. So character builder, right? Yes.
Teachers, but as mothers are also teachers, they are also teachers teaching their children.
So teacher means mother. When the discussion comes, it is always real life experiences. So teacher only can do that, and I am proudly I can say that social study teacher can do that. Maths teacher will be doing the calculations. Papa brings this much salary, right? So mama is using that salary wisely. So both are important. Yes. English teacher, what English teacher will say? Yes. आप उसको सब्जेक्ट में डाल दीजिए, सेम टॉक. English teacher, father is very extrovert. He is taking me to the ground, he is taking me to the playground, we play together, we go for bike rides and all that. Child can write one paragraph on that. And my mother is very emotional, she cries for every little thing. Child can express, मतलब English teacher can simply turn the same topic on expressions, right?
Find a tone and the way of speaking.
Yes.
Every time the child can recognize, she is my mother. By the voice.
Okay.
By the voice.
And when there is no formal teaching of that. कोई बताता नहीं ना बेटा मैं तेरी मम्मी हूँ, I am your mother, my name is this, right? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है ना. But child knows. So this is biologically we are learning always. Learning is a lifelong process.
Now is the types of art integration. Most of the time we just use like these kinds of concepts to teach our students. Is a visual art, painting and drawing, sculpture, clay modeling, printmaking, photography and filmmaking. And most of the time when students are not capable to understand like history, because history's concept they are really very boring.
Two parts you can say, right? Two hemispheres. We call it basically in science language it is right hemisphere and left hemisphere. If you look at the left one, what is that? What you notice? What do you notice? It is totally very good. It is blank, black and white and all possible colors on the right side. But if we are in teaching, we are only teaching black and white. Book is also black and white. Only the words are there, sentences and the information, and we are to read and we are to explain and so on. If we are teaching it that way, what happens? What is the impact of that teaching on the students? Boredom. If on the other side, if you are going with your content with some of the activities there, okay, आपने छोटा quiz बना लिया, or you want to teach something and you want to take them out today, content वही है, but you are giving some other explanation other than what is written on the book, black and white नहीं है. So will the class be not excited? Yes, because you are just giving them a one small chance to use their right hemisphere too. Somewhere I found it appropriate for this. So teaching learning process has to be more beautiful than the product, than the outcome. हम क्या दे रहे हैं? That matters. बच्चा उसे कितना ले रहा है? That comes at the second stage. तब जाके assessment होती है ना. But first thing is, what am I giving? मैंने अपना दिमाग कितना लगाया before making the lesson plan? Yes. So process has to be beautiful rather than the final product. Whereas when we start teaching the lesson, say अगर हम वैसे ही पढ़ाना चाहते हैं black and white, then only the thing is, okay, we have done the explanation. Learn these words, learn the definitions, answer the following questions. These are important questions from the point of view of the final exam. Yes or no? And of course, students are getting 29 out of 30, 40 out of 40. They are, because they are just to memorize few facts, few lines, few definitions, and then they have to produce the same. उसके अलावा उनसे हमारी कोई expectation ही नहीं. Process is very simple, and when the process is base, only the baseline process we are following, तो आपकी outcome भी flat होगी. In junior classes, we all take the test, and what is the result? Out of 25 students, 22 are getting 40 and 40. Yes or no? It is. हो रहा है everywhere. So कहाँ problem है? Or is it really a good thing? My 22 students are getting 40 and 40. बाकी मैडम जो 5 बचे हैं वो हैं आपके 39 and 38. So almost 100% result. Yes. And if you go to the same class and ask that small child, one who is on 40 and 40, okay bete, what is the difference between him or mountain, snow peak? Child will be able to give the answer because बच्चे ने वो definition याद की है. Yes. So what problem will be faced by people living on the hill or living in that snow peak? शायद बच्चा उसका भी जवाब दे देगा little bit because content is already done. If you pose one more next question to that, तब क्या होगा? वो क्वेश्चन मुझे भी सोचना पड़ेगा. We have to think again and again, again and again. Then we will actually come to know the level of the student. Getting 40 on 40, 40 on 40 is very simple. What do you say? Singing? It can be dance, right? It can be music. It can be physically in the ground, practically. There are many more. Yes, but we are to understand that if I have 30 students in my class, then one can see कि okay, my child is good at what? कि ये बच्चा है, maybe इसको writing करके लिखना जल्दी समझ आता है. So that's why the NEP says art integration. मतलब do what can be done to make your content easy, understandable. Yes. मोटी मोटी चीज़ें पढ़ानी है, मोटी मोटी definitions देनी है. It's okay. Where it is needed, we are to do that. But ways we are to understand कि what according to the intelligence, what is the learning way. हर एक का एक तरीका होता है. Even teachers teaching also. Every teacher is not teaching the same. Of course we have the book, so we are of course every class reading and explanation is the base. But उसमें भी आप देखिए, maybe teachers also somewhere you will see कि ये this teacher is good at preparing activities. Or that particular teacher in the school is good at conducting surveys. उसको बोलो कि मैडम एक सर्वे तैयार करते हैं. You just give the topic, she will be back to you in 1 hour.
History, economics, archaeology, linguistics, methodology, everything is interconnected. It means when we talking about like our societies in that time, most of the different concepts they are always interconnected. How we construct our societies, and we define the structure of the houses here, and how we maintain the streets over there, and the number of parks we are located over there in that time, and everything is basically really very important.
Society works like that. So we are so very important. Teaching fraternity is very important. And feedback, aligning curriculum with standard, developing lesson plans material, implementing the curriculum, monitoring, evaluating and so on. This is again the paperwork I am telling you. Teaching is more than that, which we have just discussed. This is our job expectation. As a teacher, this is the job expectation from me of the school life. I need to prepare all these. I should have my own data. I should have all the details of my students and so on. This already you are doing. We all are doing that. But teaching is something else. The point of view of that individual, right? Maybe for one, somebody is doing a role play, other one is going to take the students to the, one is going for the Nukkad Natak, other one is doing some paintings and drawings. All answers are always correct. Only the point of view. We on it because we have Rig Veda and Yajurveda, Atharvaveda, Samveda. There are many mantras which talks about all the Brahmanda and all. If we take any religious run, any. I am not saying हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, we are doing. But sometimes we choose the wrong activity for the wrong content. मेहनत भी करते हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं और उसकी आउटपुट नहीं आ रही है. This may be the problem. कि we did not understand the content कि उसकी volume क्या मांग रही थी. And we have initiated some other activity जिसमें बच्चे के पास ज़्यादा explore करने को नहीं मिला. So they are not producing the projects. Yes, they are not very interested in that particular activity. The process has to be beautiful rather than the final product. Process. So make the process in the classroom so very beautiful that the product is, that is the byproduct. अपने आप ही सुंदर हो जाएगा. Yes. So here we have two videos which we are going to share with you. Preamble आप सभी ने देखा SST की बुक में. It's always given there. How difficult and how big words are there. 80% of the times we skip that page. जो अच्छे से टीचर अच्छे doesn't mean कि बाकी बुरे हैं. But here it depends again on the interest. Few teachers discuss that page. Few do not. So something I got. Preamble is in singing form. I found it good. I felt like sharing it with you. And the second video will talk about the Hindustan ki kahani. We have a long culture. जब आप बात कर रहे थे ना Indian heritage and all. So it is depicted through one song. We will watch that.
This 26th day of November 1949.